How to buy CapCut Pro. So to buy it, you have to first of all navigate to the official website of CapCut here, right? So you have to just go to Google, search for CapCut, and you will be available here. Now then you have to go and click on download. So once you go and click on download, the setup will get downloaded. As you can see here, the setup is downloaded here. I'll just go and click on yes, and I have to install this. So right now I don't want to install because I have already did. Now once you open your CapCut, you will see this option of Join Pro. So you can just go and click on Join Pro here. Now here you have to sign in with your account, or you can just make a new account, or you can also sign in with TikTok account too. Now once you are signed in, automatically your CapCut will accept here. Now this is the pricing model which you can just go for it. So this is a monthly, that is $10, and yearly, that is $90. And if you just go with any of the plan, you will able to use CapCut for Pro.